Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will learn how to join Google Classroom and how to create a new class on Google Classroom. Let's see how to join. And type on Google Classroom, and click on Google Classroom. And use your Google account to sign in Google Classroom. And click on next and enter your password of your Gmail account and click on next. Sign in Google Classroom. Alright, Classroom helps classes communicate, save time, stay organized, and learn more in Google Classroom. And you can, when you log in your classroom, then click on blue button, continue. Alright, if you are new on Google Classroom and would like to join new classroom for your online studies, click on plus button and click on join class. If you would like to join new class, and click on join class. Ask your teachers for the class code, then enter it here. I have a class code from my teacher, so will I add my own classroom code. You will add your own classroom code. This one is my Google Classroom code. I will use this. I will copy and paste here. I will paste here and click on join. Our class is joining. Okay, you can when you join your class, you will see something like this, and this one is your class name, and this one is section, and this is a stream. View class updates and connect your class here, and click on classwork. View your work at all classwork here on classwork tab, and click on people. You can see all members of your teachers and students at this people tab. Alright, if you want to create a new class, if you are a teacher and want to create a class on Google Classroom, then click on class, create class, and using classroom at a school with students, and tick and press the continue. Alright, create class name, or add your class name. I will add a section, and add a subject of your class, and enter a class and in here, and click on create button. Our new class is creating. Okay, you can see our new class. You can invite student to your class. You can use this code, class code, to add students on the people page or give them the class code to join. Alright, got it? Alright, you can see you can create your assign work to your class here. You can create assignment, quick assessment, assignments, questions, material, and topics. And you can also class drive folder you can also use, and you can see your class members, teachers, and students here. And you can also give grades or grades to your students. Your class have no student yet, and when you add the students in the people page, and can give grades on grades buttons. Like my video, so please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.